Today we are going to make a beautiful, cute bird. Okay? So for that, what we are going to do? Let us delete this cube first. Add mesh. We'll add a UV sphere. You can increase the size. For increasing, use the scale option S to scale. Increase it. Be in a front view. Let us duplicate this. How to duplicate? Shift D is the shortcut. Shift D. Select it. Select this. Move it up. Now scale it. S to scale. So what I am doing right now, this one would be the main body. This one would be the head of our bird. Okay. Let us move to the side view. How to go to the side view? By pressing 3 on your numpad. Let me move the head little on the left side. Okay. Now let us be in a front view. Now let us add eye to the bird. So we are going to use the UV sphere only. Either you can duplicate this UV sphere and scale it down, or you can add a new UV sphere. So I have added a new UV sphere. Let me just scale it down so that it fit properly to the eyes. Let me just zoom a bit. Let me place it accordingly. Okay. Let me check from the top view. For going in the top view, you need to place 7. Okay, it is behind the head. Let's bring it over here. Fine, that's look good. Now in the same manner, let us check from front view as well. Okay, just little outside. Nice, like this. Okay, so let us have the top view. So we bring little more outside. Okay, let us go and check from the front. Okay, that's look good. Now press Shift D to duplicate. Shift D. Then click and move to the side. Okay, fine. So now our eyes are ready. So let us make cone. Before doing this, let us scale it. I will smooth this. So how to shade smooth? Right click. You'll be able to see the option of shade smooth. So you select this, right click, shade smooth. And same for the eyes. Right click, shade smooth. The other eye as well, right click, shade smooth. Now what I need a beak. So let me go in a side view. For making a beak, I am going to use cone. Okay, the cone is ready. Let us move to the side view. Move this side. Go up. Rotate this with the help of rotate tool. Scale it accordingly. Okay. Let me place it over here. Fine. This one look good. Let us make a tail as well. Add mesh cone. Rotate this. Scale it if you want. Go accordingly. Okay. So I feel that my bird is ready. Fine. So in the next session, we will learn how we can add a color. But before doing that, it is very important that you save your work properly. So let us go in File, click on Save, use a proper location. This is going to write bird 1 dot bird 1. Same.